Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing Gbpcad and Nzdusd. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Currently you're on the daily time frame, as you can see. Okay, let me just put it back over here. So you're on the daily time frame, and this is what you have. So this is what I'm seeing from the daily time frame. I can see that the market has been pushing to the upper side up until over there, and let me just lay out the levels that I'm seeing as well. So this is the first level that I'm seeing. So I'm changing the color to blue first. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly lay out the levels that I'm seeing on the market. This level as well over here. This level over here. And currently there's another level right over here as well. And another level just right over there. So these are all the levels that I'm seeing on the market right now. So as you can see, a first, second, third, fourth, and this was our fifth touch. But you can see the market break out of it, so we don't really know if this is a false breakout or not. And let us cater for the upper side as well. So on the upper side, this is what we have. We can see from this point right over here that this is a rising wedge pattern. So you have a first, second, third, and the market failed to make that fourth touch right over here because it did create a double top from on this area right over here. So we did have a double top right over here, then the market went down. So currently we are right over here. So let me just zoom in right over there. Bear in mind, guys, we're still on the daily time frame. So as you can see, we had a pin bar candlestick, which could have anticipated a move to the upper side of the same this. But currently we can see that the market is not budging to move to the lower side. So you don't know if this is a false breakout or not, but we still have this line over here to confirm that. So currently on the market on the 30 time frame, we can't go for the buyers. We are only going for the buyers if we see kind of a movement like this. Since we are here, if we see the market pushing to inside the trend line over here, hence we could go for the buyers. But what do we know more usually about the rising wedges is that they usually break off at the tip. So and it did have this double top right over there. So it's possible for the market to just try to push it up until right over here before it does break out. But that's likely not to happen. We don't know. We don't know. Actually, I don't know. But based on this analysis, what I could say is that we could go for the sellers. Okay, sorry, let me use this. Give me a sec. We could go for the sellers starting from this one right over here up until this level right over here. So currently, but hence we're not sure if this is a false breakout or not. We are going to wait a bit to see if this is a false breakout or not. So if this is a true breakout, we're gonna start starting from this point over here up until this area right over there, and then this will be our stop loss right over here on top of this thing over here. So this is how you're gonna trade this pattern right over here. I would not advise you guys to enter right over here because the market could just push into the upper side, could just push inside the trend line again and touch this area before it goes down. So all I'm saying, let us enter trade right over here. And if we see something like this, guys, if you see a movement occurring like this from here, see a little push and you see the market retested this level here and seeing it coming back, just know you could, that's another confirmation that you're going for the sellers. You can just enter after the breakout over here. So this is how we are going to trade Gbpcad, and the first take profit is right over here, second one, the third one, the final one over here. I think we should have the third take profit in case, because the market usually turns right over here. This should be our third take profit. So I know there's a lot of lines here, guys, but this is how you are supposed to trade this pair. So yeah, that'll be all for GBP CAD. Let us move to NZD USD. Okay, so now we are on NZD USD on the daily time frame, and this is what we have, right? So we're gonna focus basically on this area right over here. So yeah, so guys, okay, you can see the market is right over here right now. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna start by showing you guys the levels that I'm seeing on the market. I'm just gonna start by drawing the lines that I'm seeing first. So you can see from this point over here, the market has been pushing down of the first, second, third, and you can see that the market has been going to the lower side, and let us cater for the upper side as well, starting from this point over here up until this area over here. By just doing this on the daily time frame, I can see that the market is on an expanding channel, and we did have a long movement from the upper side, so we should anticipate the same long movement to the lower side. We had a long movement from the upper side to the lower side. Now we should anticipate a long movement from the lower side to the upper side. So that's how an expanding channel works. So this is what I'm seeing on the market. So if I were to draw the levels that I'm seeing on the market, I'm seeing this level right over here, and this one over here where we are right now, where I saw the expanding channel, and we've seen this level right over here. But bear in mind, guys, the market won't just move like this from this point over here, won't just shoot to the upper side. It's gonna have some breaks along the way, some retest and whatever. So all you have to do is to be patient with it. So yeah, okay, then there's another level that I'm seeing over here, and this is the lowest level that we have that confirms our setup. So I'm just gonna remove those lines so it doesn't confuse most of y'all, because I know the lines usually confuse most people. They don't see what's really going on. So I'm just gonna remove those ones. Okay, we are inside this giant square thing. So first, second, third. On the third, you're going to the upper side. First, second, third. So on a daily time frame, and by my guys, we're still on the daily time. This is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. So we are going for the bias based on the daily time frame now, from this point right over here and to this point. Let me use this so I can confirm. To this point, okay, let's just reduce it up until here. Okay, to this point right over there. And our stop loss will based on this from the daily time frame perspective. So we're gonna move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on over here. So let me remove this. Okay. Okay, this is what we have on the 4-hour time frame. The market did push to the lower side, but you can see there's something occurring right over here. So I'm just going to remove this. I hope you all did. You can just go back to the video, rewind the video to take the entry points on a daily time frame. Wait guys, wait. What am I seeing over here? Okay. So also, if you pay attention, close attention to this, from this point over here on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. Let me just Let me remove this line from the daily time frame so I can show you the signal from the 4-hour time frame. So this is what we have, 4-hour time frame, based on the 4-hour time frame. And also on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing okay, what am I seeing? I'm seeing a rising wedge as well. Not sorry, an expanding channel. So also on the sorry, okay, let me just there's an expanding channel as well. So for those who want to take this trade on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market has already started moving. We should have entered right over here, and you can see the market is still going to the upper side. So from this point over here, you can just from this point, the market's gonna push up until this area right over here. So but you can just take profits around this area here. So you're currently not that late on this, Some may wait for the market to just get back a little bit before they enter, but this is the possible scenario on the 4-hour time frame. So if you want the signal on the daily time frame, just rewind the video back, and if you want the signal on the 4-hour time frame, you can use this one. So yeah, that will be all from us. FX Travels signing out.